Hey guys, let's learn how to post your NFTs over on Instagram. So first of all, Instagram has this new update where you could actually post and market your NFTs over on your Instagram page, your Instagram profile. Whether that may be your personal account or even your business account over here on Instagram. Well, right now in the new update, you could actually head on and it's just like posting something for sale. Now, as you can see here, when you click on their product or rather their posts over here, you might come encounter with a post actually shows you the opportunity to buy a piece of clothing over here. It goes the same with NFTs in this case, because when you actually now head on and post your NFTs over here, there's going to be a digital collectible sign over on the lower left part of the photo, which is very nice because at least now that people could actually head on and click on that specific collectible or NFT and then look into what it is, how much it is, what's its value, and all of the other stuff that's related to NFTs, your cryptocurrency wallet. Now, whether that may be Binance, Coinbase, or any other cryptocurrency wallet you have out there and just easily connected with the application, it's very easy and straightforward. And then once you have done that, basically, you could now choose the NFT that you want to share on the Instagram and then post it on Instagram. So basically, once you have posted that on Instagram, you could now automatically tag the owner. If you were the owner, then tag yourself, or if you have another person who made that NFT for you, tag them, and then also the creator of that NFTs, and then you are done. Instagram blockchain support will validate its authenticity. Now, this is very nice for those cryptocurrency owners and buyers and sellers, because now they could actually market their NFTs through the platform, and as well as through their basically so that their followers may see that they are selling. And if it's on Instagram. Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.